Giving God the glory, the honor, and the praise. Here I am, directly after I finished shooting that last video of me being very vulnerable. I went to pick up my handsome son to take him to handle some business at the bank and teach him some stuff. Sometimes we gotta still hold our young children, young adults hand and show them the way so that they can be more self-sufficient. So here I am today at the Chase Bank in Willingboro, New Jersey. And this is my first time inside this branch. And I thought it was cute. And, I was like, well, let me do a little tour. Then I came into this wall and I was like, this is kind of cute. Then they got some waters out. So, I had to think about which water I wanted because I'm going to drink my H2O. You should too, ho. But needless to say, they could not help us at their branch. They did not have what we came to look for. So here we are at a second location, or is this my third location? Second location. Well, this is the second location for the day, but I've been trying to get this paper notarized for him for free to not pay any money for his college experience on Thursday. And we got the job done here at this location. Mine, right? Huh? Child, she was like, you gotta let mom. Yeah. Thank you, Melissa. Y'all come check her out, Chase Bank. Where we at? In Riverton, Cinnamon, Delran, my third bank of the day. So that my kiddo could get right. God is good. When I say God is good to us, God is good to us. He makes no mistakes. And when I say I pray that God continuously to put, love and light in my life with people. We interact with people. We're human beings. I'm a human becoming better. So let me change your life and y'all ride this wave out with me. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Share this love. She said, you're so but I just love the compliment. And I appreciate you, Queen, because I feel the same way back. So you made me smile, Melissa. Hey, might have to pop up here one day on you. Thank you for that, though. Ray, you gotta let mom. You know that, though, right? He said, I don't know that. He know. When I say it costs you nothing to be kind, it costs you nothing to be kind. And kind people are my kind of people. Melissa didn't know what type of day I was having, what type of morning I was having, but I shared that in the previous video. So the fact that I shared it and I kept it pushing and I was still able to just show up and be my authentic self and let the sun shine in me, I needed that confirmation. That woman poured into me just by saying kind words. She gave me a compliment that you're so dope. And I appreciate that. So after having time with my son and showing him the ropes of life, I'm back home minding my business. I'm pouring into myself and I still have to work out. So this is my story. This is my journey. And I'm showing y'all along the way that proper preparation prevents poor performance. And I'm going to keep showing up for myself.